Thanks for stopping by our kitchen. I'm Nikki with the Mike and Nikki's Honey Company, and we're here to talk about nature's remedy. A little horse mint, a little thyme tea, a little lemon, and life is good. We're offering them in little gift sets. Are they not adorable? 4 ounce, 8 ounce, so 1 pound. Whether you have our Buddha thyme or something a little more fancy. You're going to sit down and enjoy this and think you're doing it for your health. And after the cold or the cough goes away and that goes away, you're going to become a fan. You're going to drink this anyway. Horse mint honey, one of my favorites.